Getting ready for days of cleanup. Think about it. They got to clear the snow off the roads and the sidewalks. WBZ's Penny Commit has been in the city monitoring the storm since it began yesterday.
Now that the snow has settled, cleanups have begun. Chloe Adamowicz spent roughly 4 hours shoveling her car out last night and another 30 minutes this morning.
I'd rather do it in increments than be stuck with a bigger problem.
Boston remains in a snow emergency. Mayor Michelle Wu says the parking ban will last until at least 6 Tuesday night.
We're really trying to prioritize not just clearing the snow and pushing it to the side, but removing it and taking it away to snow farms to be melted.
One of the worst storms I've seen, at least.
We met Harrison McKinley 45 minutes into digging his car out, with still some ways to go.
The hardest part is just finding where to put the snow. I mean, you gotta bring it onto the banks here. You can't really throw it in the street.
Like many South Boston residents, Harrison plans to hold his spot with a space saver. But Mayor Wu is reminding everyone that space savers are only allowed for 48 hours after a snow emergency is lifted.
We will be enforcing the space saver ban. Usually what happens is the trash trucks pick them up as they go on their normal trash collection runs.
Probably grab my barrel across the street over there, and that'll suffice.
The city says it's towed nearly 1,000 cars as crews continue to focus on clearing main arteries and school access roads.
I think it's worth like a couple days of chaos to live in the city.
And now that the storm has passed, remember you are responsible for clearing your sidewalks all the way around your property and up to the curb. In Southie, I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.